Hello children, today I am going to show you an activity which is called a matching activity. All you need to do is take some pictures from the internet or take some printouts, or you can cut out these pictures from any old books that you have. So I have just cut out these pictures from an old book that I had, and the first picture is a child eating, and the second picture is a child sleeping, and the third picture is a mother cooking. So you need to arrange these pictures and then take three more pictures which are related to that. For example, this is a picture of a bedroom, and this is a picture of a kitchen, okay, and this is a picture of a dining room. Okay, so what you have to do is give these three pictures to the child. Okay, and now the child has to go through the pictures that is given to him or her, and then accordingly place the pictures required. Okay, so for example, now the picture of a girl eating, so the child needs to look at the pictures, and then you need to ask questions like, where do you eat? Then the child will think, and then she'll match it accordingly, saying, I eat in the dining room. And then you might ask, where do you sleep? And then the child puts the picture saying, I sleep in the bedroom. And where does mommy cook? Mommy cooks in the kitchen. So this is one of the activity I wanted to share. Now let's talk about some professions. The first picture is a carpenter, and the second one is a tailor, third one is a nurse, the fourth one is a driver. So I have some pictures like a sewing machine, a first aid kit, a carpenter, and a bus. So give these pictures to the child. Okay, so now the child will match accordingly. A carpenter, he will put this picture. A tailor uses a sewing machine, and then a nurse uses a first aid kit, and the driver uses the bus. Okay, some similar activities like this you can make your child do, and these are fun activities and the child will enjoy doing it. And now you can talk about some famous personalities like Amitabh Bachchan, Mother Teresa, Ashoka. So the pictures that I got for these are charity, theatre, and kingdom. So now again the child will have to choose. Mother Teresa is related to charity work. Amitabh Bachchan is theatre, and then Ashoka is matched with the Ashoka kingdom. Okay, some more I will show you about personalities. The other personalities that I have here is Subhash Chandra Bose, Nehru, and Gandhiji. And you can give these pictures to the child, that is children, chakra, and an army person. So just shuffle it and give it to them, and the child will match accordingly. Subhash Chandra Bose was in the army. Nehru loves children, and his birthday is celebrated on as Children's Day. You can explain all this to the child. And then Gandhiji uses his chakra. Okay, children. Now these pictures are related to the sense organs, that is the eyes, tongue, ears, nose, and skin. So the pictures that you can give for this is like a radio, a rose, ice cream, thorn, and a television. So shuffle this and give it to the child, and the child needs to think over and match accordingly. So you see a television with your eyes, and the thorn you can feel the thorn with your skin, and you can taste the ice cream. You use the tongue. And the rose you can smell, and the ear you use to listen to the radio. So like this you can make the child match accordingly. These are some of the activities which I wanted to share. I have another one that's very easy. You can look at that also. The last one is a very simple one. I just have some pictures of some tires drawn on each sheet. You can draw it also if you don't get pictures. And then I have a picture of a scooter, I have a picture of an auto, and I have a picture of a bus. So give these three pictures to the child and then ask the child which vehicle has 3 wheels. Then they'll match it accordingly. Auto. Which vehicle has 4 wheels? The bus. Then which vehicle has 2 wheels? Then the motorbike. Like this you can make the child do some matching activity and keep them busy. So these activities are really good, and you can enjoy the time with your child as well. I hope these activities will be useful, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.